Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In front of me I have the Pixel 2 XL, which I've had for probably nearly a year. Absolutely love the Pixel, the Google Pixel brand, but I smashed the screen. Well, not me, it was my daughter, it was an accident. There is a nasty little smash there. All the glass has been coming out, giving me glass splinters, slicing my finger. So I thought that was the perfect excuse to upgrade my device. You can also see the cracks going around the screen there. Works absolutely fine, no problem, but it's cracked. And because I love my Pixel, I had to get the Pixel 3 XL. So I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing, not a usual unboxing, because I'm sure there is millions and millions and millions of unboxing videos of the Pixel 3 XL. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. There we go. Sitting on top. In the box, they look like some earphones. Manual, SIM tray ejector tool. Lovely presented box. USB Type-C to USB Type-C, 3.5mm socket to USB Type-C. So that's for your OTG stuff. And here should be the charging block, USB Type-C. Super. Cool. Google earbuds. Obviously USB Type-C. Cool. Nicely presented. Wouldn't expect nothing less. So let's have a look. Okay, here we go. So I think it's the same size as the Pixel 2 XL. Yeah, yes, certainly is. Around the edge, so very, very similar design with the orange power button, volume rocker up and down. At the top, pretty much clear apart from a tiny microphone. That side is clear as well. Oh, and the SIM tray is at the bottom along with USB Type-C port. And there's no speaker at the bottom because they have front-facing speakers. It looks like it's dual speaker. On the Pixel 2 XL, they had two wider ones, so it's not symmetrical. Then on the back, that is nice. That is quite nice actually. It's not too pink. It's not in your face. Yeah, that is very, very nice. That is. So it's got a glass panel there. I think it's all glass actually. This is like a frosted effect at the bottom. That feels nice. Got the fingerprint sensor. And as Google keep on doing on the rear camera, they make exceptional cameras with a great sensor. This is a 12.2 megapixel sensor with 1.8 aperture. And there's only one. There's no two sensors to achieve the portrait mode and all that zoomy stuff. It's all done within that one lens, which is brilliant. It's also got optical image stabilization, which is great. So on the front, there are two sensors, two 8 megapixel sensors, with one being a wide angled camera. So I'm just going to turn this on. This will have Android 9, obviously. Oh, and there is that notch. There is that. That's a deep notch. That is a deep notch, isn't it? That's pretty deep. That's nice. Look at that display though. That is a deep notch. Okay, I'm going to set this up. Okay, we are back. We're all set up. It's beautiful. It's got a beautiful OLED display. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And because it's a Pixel phone, it is pure Google. Nothing else. So hold on a sec. There we go. Google, pure Google. Settings, play, advanced. I don't know, I don't think you can actually hide the notch, but this looks pretty much the same. What is different is these buttons at the bottom. I think it's gestures, isn't it? Okay, so I still haven't quite figured out the bar at the bottom. Just shows you recent when you drag up, and you have to drag it up again. You have to do it twice. Or you keep your thumb on it and do that. But if you want to flick it up, it stops. I don't want it to stop, I want it to fly right up. So, don't know. I can't find the setting anywhere for that. But what I do like is if you swipe like that, you can quickly chop and change between what applications you're using. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's the back button. That does take you home. But this doesn't flick up straight away. Anyway, I want to look at the camera. Now, there are loads and loads of settings within the Pixel 3. Loads of different modes. Let's just have a look at portrait mode. Okay. There's a little bit of flickering in here because of the artificial light. Let's take a picture. Let's switch around to the front facing camera. Do a portrait on there. God, that looks so crisp. It does look so crisp. That's how you can zoom in and zoom out. Great. So let's have a portrait. Yeah, that is pretty impressive. And yeah, that as well. Incredible. Let's just have a quick go on video modes. Have a quick look at the settings. Rear camera, so it does go up to 4K at 30 frames per second. I'll keep it at 1080. The front is 1080 as well. Stabilization is on, and the front and rear 8 megapixel 12.2, but it is at 4:3 aspect ratio. If you want it in 16:9, then it does drop down to 8.3. Landscape mode. Here we go. So here we are, video on the Pixel 3 XL. This flickering is because of the artificial light. If I turn one of them off, it might improve. There we go, it stopped. Okay, it does look absolutely stunning, and you'd expect that with a flagship smartphone. The Pixel 3 XL video. Now the front facing camera. Again, there's flickering behind me. Go. There's flickering behind me. If I switch that light off, it's going to be really dark. It's just got the horrible yellow top light on at the moment. Let's turn that one on in front. Yeah, that's better. Quality is exceptional. Really, really exceptional. Artificial lighting, it is dark outside. Excellent. Okay. I'm testing front facing speakers. Let's just turn it down a little bit. It's definitely a dual speaker. It's a shame that the loudspeaker on there is smaller than the Pixel 2 XL. A small one and a larger one. The speakers are so much better than on the 2 XL. Like, I can really notice that. Wow. That is so good. That's so rich and warm. That's like chocolate. Absolutely beautiful. The interface as well is absolutely slick. It's so fast and responsive. Snapdragon 845. It's got 4 gigs of RAM. That's the only thing that bothers me a little bit. 4 gigs of RAM. Surely this should be hitting the 6 gig of RAM, you know, with these Pixel phones. Oh, that is stunning. Jesus. Absolutely stunning. That notch, love the notch. It's a bit deep, but I do love the notch, especially watching full screen video like that. Amazing. I suppose that's what you get for a premium device. Premium looks. Incredible display. Blown away, guys. I love the Pixel phones. Very much identical in terms of bezels. Bezels are slightly narrower now. On the Pixel 3, they've narrowed them slightly on the edge. Bottom chin looks exactly the same. Well, yeah, that was the unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL. I might do a review on this. But there's so many videos out there. I just thought I'd show you. But I will be doing some gaming videos. I'll be testing PUBG and Fortnite. They'll be absolutely fine. No worries at all about that. They should absolutely hammer it. But that's it, guys. Your fingerprint sensor works good. That's the unboxing and the look at the Google Pixel 3 XL. But that's it, guys. Any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe, because I'm nearly at 20,000. Nearly at 20,000 subs. So that's my next milestone, 20,000. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.